What's up guys, this is Tyler with Rev Rides. Today we're going to be installing this thumb throttle on this 09. After watching this video, you should be able to install the plug-and-play thumb throttle on any of the Zero scooters. Alright, so here's the stock trigger that the Zero comes with. And then here is our new ergonomic thumb throttle. It's really a personal preference. Some folks prefer to do this, while others prefer the trigger. We highly recommend that you try the stock trigger before you upgrade to the thumb throttle, because this may be perfectly fine for you. This is everything you're going to receive with your plug-and-play thumb throttle. We've got the thumb throttle here and a brand new LCD. This has already been wired into the back, so there's no soldering or wiring required. For tools, we're going to be using our fix-it sticks with a 5mm, 3mm, and 2.5mm Allen. And then optional today is going to be an air pump. We're going to use this to remove the grip. We're going to use a little bit of compressed air to just help it slide right off. So we're going to start by removing this grip. I've got my air pump here. I'm going to turn it on, and there's a hole in the end of the grip right here. We're going to stick the air pump over that and inflate this grip, and it's going to slide right off. Now that the grip is off, we'll go ahead and loosen the brake lever. Okay, now it's loose, and then we're going to slide that right off the end. If you have folding handlebars, you can take the red collar loose here, fold it down, slide the lever off. Now we'll take our 3mm Allen and loosen the LCD. Go ahead and slide that off as well. And then to unplug the LCD, we're going to grab both sides with our hands. You don't want to use any tools on here because you don't want to damage this. And we're just going to pull these straight apart firmly. Now we'll take our plug and play and make sure that we line up. We've got an arrow on this side, and then you can see an arrow right here. Go ahead and slide the LCD onto the bars, and then the brake lever. And now make sure our thumb throttle is positioned how we want it, just like that. Can lock the bars in. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall the grip. It should slide right back on. And then we'll push the thumb throttle, the brake, and the LCD all the way up against the grip. And then we'll go ahead and tighten those back down. You want to be careful not to tighten the LCD bracket down too tight, or else you'll crack the back side of it. And then lastly, we'll tighten our thumb throttle down. We want to rotate around and make sure that it's in a nice, comfortable position. That feels pretty good. Now make sure everything powers on. And then you're going to want to change your settings in your LCD to match your particular model. You can reference our settings guide. We also have a video on how to change all of the settings. You can find that in the description below. Now we should be ready to ride. That's all there is to it. If you think that the thumb throttle is for you, check out our website. You'll find the link in the description below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more content. See ya.